Hello everybody, this is me2407 with another video, and today I'm going to be doing some NASCAR Authentics hunting. So going to visit a few stores nearby. Hopefully they got some good stuff. First gotta fuel up here, but can't wait to see what's in the stores. Before this video starts, I'd like to invite you guys to check out Bench Racing Diecast located in Newark, New York. They have the greatest selection for 164 and 124 scale diecasts, and it is an amazing store. Whether you've been collecting for years or just getting into the hobby, it is a must-see for any collector. They also have a website which is linked in the comments and description below, so if you see something you like but don't live nearby, you can still purchase it. Once again, the name is Bench Racing Diecast, but now, let's get on to the video. So first store of the day was a Target, and they had a good selection of Wave 8 and 9. Unfortunately, no race version Wave or All-Star Wave, but still a good selection. So they had a Daniel Hemrick car, also a Tyler Reddick, and these Alex Bowman cars have been in a lot of my stores recently. They don't seem to be very popular, and neither do the trucks, which really surprises me. So I've been seeing a lot of the Johnny Sauters and Matt Craftons lately, and it's getting a little annoying because I want to see some newer stuff in the stores, but those are just filling up the pegs. But they had that Ryan Blaney throwback. I was really tempted to get that one because I absolutely love that paint scheme, but I ended up passing on it just because the box wasn't really that nice, and I like to display mine in the box, as you guys have probably seen in my previous videos. But really good selection for Target. Normally these stores don't have anything, so I was impressed to find some diecasts. Second store, another Target, really picked over. Just two Alex Bowman cars, a Noah Gragson and a Jeff Gordon. And the final stop of the day was Walmart. So they had a Ryan Blaney All-Star car, ended up picking that one up. Also had a Chase Elliott All-Star car. I'm surprised that was one of the few left. And then, last but not least, they had another Jeff Gordon iRacing car. So that's it for 164s. They also had a few 187s left. It seems like they've actually gotten rid of a whole bunch of these, so I'm impressed. Those have been sitting there for months. And they had a really good hauler assortment. So Chase Elliott's Night Owl hauler, also had a Bubba Wallace hauler, and then a Dale Jr. Filter Time. Really like that hauler. I have one in my personal collection. And then a Thor Sport hauler, a Haley Deegan hauler, and then a William Byron Daytona winner hauler. So this was the only car I picked up today. It's Blaney's All-Star Body Armor car. Almost got that throwback, but last second decided I didn't really need it. So there is the only new addition from today. But if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment below what you guys thought of my finds today. Once again, it's been me2407. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Bye!